stocks that I had in my watch list for today's trading was LTIM. There was a question as to why I selected this stock. So multiple reasons. First one is quite obvious. You can see that it's a beautiful pattern here, sort of kind of a cup and a flag pattern, right? So this is one of the reasons. And second reason is, let's extend this line to the left to this red candle over here. So now this red candle, if you see, it has some I'm referring to this candle right here. If you see, it has got a lot of unique characteristics about it. First of all, it's a gap down, opened high, and then closed. It's almost a bearish Barabos. That means bears are total control. Now look what happened after that. The bears are losing control, majorly losing control, and definitely losing control, right? So at this point, the trend of the stock is potentially changed. But of course, the weekends will be shaken off, which it was done, and we got a kind of a triple bottom here, right? Now when the stock goes up, it's natural for it to encounter resistance at this area, which it did, and it successfully passed this area. So I have been watching this stock from this candle onwards, and very next day what it did a breakout of that resistance, and it closed above, just above this blue key bullish candle, if I might call it, right? So, and the very next day, so this candle has also got meanings, right? So it is closing above a potentially supply area, right? So it could be that bears can take it and bring it down. There's a very good opportunity for bears, right? Other thing is, if we know Dow theory, this is a pure example of Dow theory. You have lower low, and the high is broken over here, right? So it's kind of a pattern that can lead to a bullish move in the stock, but we are not sure yet because it needs to form a higher low as well. But let's ignore that for the moment. And so this candle, the day before yesterday's candle, Friday's candle, what does this tell? This means that the bears are not interested in this stock because this is a supply area, best area to short the stock, but they are not interested. What should we buy here? No, for me the confirmation comes much later after testing this trend line, which it did today. So if you look at the intraday chart, and you can see there was that low was clearly tested out, and then market gave a beautiful breakout after testing this, right? So this was the entry point, and we got our target of 49.10 exactly, right? And within intraday itself, so I just booked it. I didn't want to hold it. With the elections and all, if I get 3 to 6 hour, it's the mainline stock, so 3 hour is more than enough. I tend to exit. Well, we'll see tomorrow if it trades above this high, then that's a good opportunity that it can move to the second target. So we'll continuously track it and trade it. So I hope this was clear on the reasons for the entry. It's not exactly something that you will catch from any scanner. So how did this stock come into my scan? No, it was not any scan. So it was a weekend, so I scan a lot of stocks manually on weekend, so I got it. It's very rare that I would come up with such a stock on a weekday, because I don't usually scan so many stocks on weekdays. Anyways, that's it for this video. I will make another video for the rest of the trades tomorrow. I hope this series is useful. Thank you very much, and I appreciate you showing some love, showing some like by liking or subscribing or sharing. Do whatever you have to do, please. Thank you very much. Bye bye.